Alright, here's Peyton climbing at Smith Rock. Let's go see if we can help him out. See if he can make it to the top. Don't fall, Peyton. Don't fall. Don't fall. Oh no. It's Carol's worst nightmare. Peyton's falling climbing.
Yes, my bone's stuck out of my leg.
V, go get him.
Help.
Get him, V. Get him.
Help.
V, you get Peyton.
You make a split. Get me to the ranger station so I can file a report in Sewell, Oregon.
Peyton, the trail's this way. Give us a smile.
Where are the crowds at? This isn't Smith Rock.
We head